Hello viewers, welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. Let's solve previous year paper for grade 3 IMO year 2021. Now I am posting 20 questions in this video with all the tips and tricks, and you can see answers at the end of video. First section is logical reasoning. Question 1. Select the combination of numbers so that letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful English word. Now, from option A, B, C, D, you have to select correct combination of numbers so that the given letters I, C, R, H, A are arranged in such a way that it form a English word, meaningful English word. So first form a meaningful English word from the given letters and then choose the correct series of the numbers. Question number 2. Select the given pattern and tell the number of cups in pattern 10. Now you have to identify the number of cups in pattern 10. Now see, in pattern 1 3 cups are given, in pattern 2 5 cups, and in pattern 3 7 cups. So the formula here is 2n plus 1. Now n is the pattern number. So if we want pattern 1, we will put n equals to 1 in this formula. If we want how many cups in pattern 2, we will put n equals to 2. So if we have to find in pattern 10 how many cups are there, so put n equals to 10 in the given formula. Question number 3. Which of the following shapes is missing in the given figure? Now see, in options A, B, C, D, the shapes are given square, cone, circle, cylinder. Now choose from box which shape is missing, square, cone, circle or cylinder. Find the mirror image of the given figure. Now see question 4th. Now in order to find the mirror image, flip the image on the right side or horizontally like this. See the arrow. So the mirror image of the given arrow is shown. We just flip it horizontally. So in the same way, flip the image given in the picture and you will find the mirror image. Question number 5. If day before yesterday was Sunday, then day after tomorrow will be. Now day before yesterday is Sunday, so yesterday will be Monday and today is Tuesday and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Now you have to find day after tomorrow. Dash is third to the right of sixth boy from the right end. Now in this type of question, start from end. So in the end, right end is given, so we will start from the right end. Now dash is third to the right of sixth boy from the right end. So from right end find the sixth boy and then go to the right side and find the third one. Question 7. If dog is called mouse, mouse is called cat and cat is called horse, then which of the following animal loves cheese the most? Now who loves cheese the most? Mouse. And what mouse is called? Cat. Question 8. In which of the following figures the given figure is exactly embedded as one of its part? Now see the given figure. You have to choose from option A, B, C, D in which option this figure is exactly embedded. So for that, see the hint. Now you have to look for this shape on the left corner. Now in all the options A, B, C, D, see this given shape on the left corner. Question number 9. 5 group of dash parrots each can be formed from the given parrots. Now count the total number of parrots. You have to form a group of 5 parrots. So count the total number of parrots and divide it by 5. So you will get the answer how many pairs will be formed. Now question number 10th. There is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on either side of proportion. Identify the relationship between the given pair and find the missing figure. Now you see the relationship between the first two. In the first two, the relationship is like that. The outer shape is hexagon and the inner shape is rectangle. So hexagon have 6 sides and rectangle have 4 sides. So it is related to 2. 4 minus 6 minus 4 is 2. Now in the same way establish the relationship in the second pair. Mathematical reasoning. The weight of one triangle is 250 gram. What is the weight of one square? Now 4 square equals to 6 triangles. Now weight of one triangle is given, so 4 square will be 6 into 250 gram, which is the weight of one triangle. So 4 square will be equals to 1500 gram. Now 1 square will be equals to 1500 divided by 4, which is equals to 375 gram. Question 12th. Mohan has a rupee 100 note with him. Which one of the following items he cannot buy? So you have to choose which items he cannot buy. So from option A, B, C, D, add the items in the given options. Now add the two items given in the four options and whichever is greater than 100 will be the answer. Question number 13th and 14th. The given graph shows the number of cupcakes sold by 5 friends. So question number 13th. How many more cupcakes Anuj and Ram together sold than Payal? Now from the graph we can see Payal sold 18 and Anuj and Ram together. Now calculate. Anuj sold 12 and Ram sold 15. So first add the cupcakes sold by Anuj and Ram and then find out how many more cupcakes Anuj and Ram together sold than Payal. So add the cupcakes sold by Anuj and Ram and subtract from the number of cupcakes Payal sold. Question number 15. Dash sold 1 dozen more cupcakes than Akash. Now Akash sold 6. So who sold 1 dozen more cupcakes than Akash? Now 1 dozen means 12. So 12 plus 6 is 18. So who sold 18? Ram, Kajal, Anuj or Payal? Question number 15. Which number sentence describes the given number of lamps? Now 4 groups, 5 lamps are arranged in 4 groups. 5 lamps are arranged in 4 groups. Now find the correct number sentence from the given options. Question 16. Compare and fill in the box. Now first add the quantities on the left side and then solve the equation on the right side and then choose the correct sign. Question number 17. Which of the following set of numbers are arranged in the ascending order? Now ascending means small to large. So see in which options numbers are arranged in ascending order. What is the difference between the temperatures shown on thermometers P and Q? Now first read the temperatures on thermometer P and Q and then find out the difference. You can see all answers at the end of video. 19th. What fraction of the given figure is unshaded? Now see the given figure. Now unshaded, you have to find the fraction of unshaded figure. So first count how many number of squares are there. So we can see 4 into 4. Their total number is 16. Now out of 16, how many are unshaded? So count the number of unshaded squares upon total number of squares will be the answer. Question number 20. There are dash thousands in 2465. Now find out how many thousands in 2465. Check your answers here. You can see the answers of all questions here. Thanks for watching. If the video is useful, like, share and subscribe.